right, guys, still at Overland Expo 2023. We're at the Mountain House booth. That's Zach. That is the beautiful Sasquatch holding. What is he holding over there?
He's
the
got
buffalo
a pouch
style?
of buffalo style chicken mac and
Yeah. All right. Tell us. I mean, I've had these and they're delicious. I've had the beef stroganoff, the gravy and biscuits, the breakfast skillet. Good stuff.
cheese. All great, all just add water, super convenient. So just boil water, add it directly to the pouch, stir it, zip it up, wait about 10 minutes, and you're good to go.
Perfect.
Back adventure.
I noticed that I haven't seen these before.
Yeah, so these are pretty new to us. They came out last year. It's our peanut butter bites. It's a new snack line. You don't rehydrate these. It's a great trail snack, pretty calorically dense, great protein from you're on the road, eating some good healthy options to eat.
I noticed there's also the Pro Packs over here. What's the
Yeah.
difference between that one and the regular ones?
Absolutely. So yeah, we developed these with the military to meet mil spec. So these are actually going to go and replace MCWs, which are meals cold weather. So for cold weather expeditions or MREs and other food might freeze. These don't, and they're also a little bit more calorically dense. So they've got a little bit more protein, fat, and calories per serving.
Perfect. And I noticed that are these just for the different colored bags or?
Well, so this is a new line we came out recently with as well. So this is our classic line. We've been around for 53 years now, and so recipes change over time. These are going back to the original recipe that came out when these first debuted. So it's a little bit of different recipes, more full flavor, and also a bit bigger pouches. So we got 2.5 and 3 servings relative to the 1 and 2 serving pouches here.
Perfect.
So bigger, more full flavor.
And also I see this massive can of chili and mac.
Yes, that is 10 servings. It's great for group feeding situations. We'll take that camping, have people cook their hot dogs over the fire, come over and get a scoop of chili mac on top for chili dogs.
Perfect. And there's also these big 30 servings, like there's a variety pack in there.
So this is our expedition bucket, 15 pouches, 30 servings. I believe this one's on sale for $119 right now on the website, so it's about $40 off. We've got 3 different buckets. We've got like 5 or 6 different kits. So depending on what variety and what you're looking for, you should have an option that meets your needs.
Perfect. All right. Anything else?
Oh, we've got a show special.
Oh.
So that's good to check out. So Overland West 23 is your discount code to use on mountainhouse.com. That gets you 20% off and free shipping, and that's site-wide.
Perfect. All right, guys. Once again, that's Zach from Mountain House. Sasquatch says laters. Thank you so much, Zach.
Awesome. See y'all.